Today I get to start a video on this channel that I've been meaning to do for literally a couple years now. I know it doesn't fit the normal videos I do on this channel, like the tutorials or the gaming stuff, but come on, man. I get to learn about my DNA, where I'm from. Who knows where I'm from? We came off the boat, fresh off the boat in the 1800s, 1700s, maybe somewhere in there too. A lot of crazy things happen back in my race, of course, because of slavery and all that crazy stuff and unfortunate stuff that happened, but now it led me to be who I am here today because of all those things that happened in the past. So I want to know what parts of the world, probably Africa, probably Europe, maybe, I wouldn't be surprised if it's in some parts in Asia too, that'd be crazy. But that's why I picked up this Ancestry DNA kit. My lovely girlfriend, she picked this up for me for Christmas, and I'm just getting around to it in February right now. I know this video is probably 2 months old right now, at least the start of it, because it takes at least 8 weeks for them to get your DNA sample and for them to process it and send you the results. But hey man, I'm willing to wait. A mixed person like myself, as I'm not totally dark, I'm not totally light. I gotta be from all kinds of places in this world. I really wonder how far my bloodline goes back. I also question, what did humans really look like when we were first developed? Like, yeah, we know about the caveman, but what about before the caveman? We must have came from something. We came from the earth and developed, and we went through evolution to become something. But let's not get into any deep conversations here. We're here to find out what is in my bloodline. So here's the kit. Let's open the baby up. In the box, this is the sample where I'll have to put my saliva in. And this box is where I'll put the sample in to be shipped off to the lab. I swear, Ancestry, I better not be giving you my spit so you can plant it at some crime scene. That is not gonna go over well. I will be really angry. I will come after you. Jail is not for MidnightMan. At the top it says do not eat or drink or chew gum for at least 30 minutes. I haven't had anything in my mouth in about 5 hours. So here's the tube. I gotta fill it up to that black line. And this is the stabilizing fluid. Not sure what that is, but here it is. Get in there, man, get in there. It's a lot of bubbles. All right, it looks, it looks like I got enough. Let's add the stabilizing fluid. Screw in this part here. Oh, there we go, it went in. Shake the tube for at least 5 seconds. And the next step, I just gotta mail this stuff in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that tomorrow, not today. And then we'll see 8 weeks from now. What is my true ethnicity? Where am I from? It'll be something for my family to see too, because as far as I know, they've told me that, of course, I'm African American, Cherokee Indian, and then also Irish, a little bit Irish, not a lot, just like a couple percent. That's as much as I know. I don't know which parts of Africa or parts of possibly Europe or Ireland. I don't know. Like, that's just what I've been told, but I'm sure this test will deliver some more answers than I know at this moment. So I will see you guys again in 8 weeks. Well, really, you'll see me again in just a few seconds and you'll know my results. But I gotta wait. Before we jump ahead into the future, let me know in the comment section below, what ethnicities do you think I am? Just give it a guess. What do you think? You know, just based off my complexion, let me know. Maybe you're right, maybe you're wrong. I'll give you a cookie if you're right. Okay guys, it has now been over 2 months since I sent out my DNA sample to Ancestry, and I finally got my results back today here at the end of April, and boy, have a lot of things changed in just 2 months. Life was normal in February, man. And now all of a sudden, I'm home like 95% of the time. I mean, I'm not, you know, I'm all right with it. I think things need to slow down a little bit. I was always on the go, 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 go. And now I can, you know, focus more efforts towards just doing things that I want to do personally and doing more videos for the channel and such. So, hey man, it is what it is, but still here. But anyways, guys, I got the email from Ancestry DNA saying my results are in. Guys, this is something I've been waiting for a long time. I've always been interested, where the heck are my different ethnicities from in this world? And today I get to find that out, and you guys get to figure that out along with me. So we're gonna go ahead and explore my DNA results. It says I'm now a part of the early Virginia African Americans community. Okay. I'm also part of the Carolinas, Maryland, and Virginia African Americans community. I'll read this on my own too, but if you guys want to pause the video to read anything, go ahead. All right, here's the fun part. View DNA story. Okay, so I am 37% Nigerian. All right, 25% Cameroon, Congo, Southern Bantu peoples. 22% England, Wales, Northwestern Europe. I don't know, that's interesting as well. I don't necessarily know anybody from that region. Let's see. Primarily located in Belgium, Channel Islands, England, Wales. Wow, I honestly don't know of anybody from my family line from over there, to be quite honest. 6% Mali? Where's Mali? Okay, another part of Africa. Benin, Togo, that's another area of Africa. So this is where probably all the slaves are taken from. Some of them made it in a few of these areas and then made it with some of the people that came over from the England area. What other parts? So then we got Senegal, which is the northwestern part of Africa. So that's where Chad and Gambia are. And this next one here, Ireland and Scotland, I called it. Well, at least my mom called it because she knew I had a little bit of this in me as well. Not a lot, clearly, just a smidge, but hey, got a little Scottish in me. 1% Spain, and then another 1% Ghana. So now looking at the map, these are all the areas that I originated from. All these parts of South to Northwest Africa, and just a little bit of the areas up in the north where England and Ireland are. And then over here in America is some of the early African American settlements that came through. So in Virginia here, this was back in the 1700s. So definitely some enslavement over there. And then also, if we go back in to the Carolinas, I do believe I have some relatives from the Carolinas as well. So a lot of them looks like they stuck around that area for quite some time. This definitely seems to be pretty accurate for which parts of the world my ancestors came from. So this is very cool. I have to share this with my family. Maybe see if they know anything about the people from the Belgium and the Spain area, because I don't know much about from what over there, but who knows, man. I mean, let's be real here. A lot of those ancestors from the Europe region did some nasty things to their slaves. So, I mean, it's no surprise that we don't turn out as dark as the Africans in Africa. That's why we're a bit of a mix, and it's just gonna continue that trend because in America, there's all these different nationalities and people just keep mixing with different races. And I think that's a good thing. There shouldn't be this blanket thing, well, you're this color, you're that color, so you gotta stay with this group. No, it should never be like that. And the fact that nowadays being multiracial is a pretty normal thing. So there you guys have it. Those are the different parts of the world that your boy here is made up of. I think overall, really, it's not that big of a surprise. The west coast of North and South Africa, where the slave ships came from, and then some of the folks up in Europe that also came to settle in America. I mean, you can figure that, and also the immigrants as well that came here to America to search for a better life and all that history, jazzy stuff. But pretty cool, guys. Let me know what you thought about this in the comment section below. I'm definitely gonna be reading up more on my own about those specific areas that I'm from, just to get a little bit more information from them. And hey, maybe one day I'll get the chance to visit once this whole quarantine is over. I wanna travel again, I wanna do things, but I'll chill out right now. I'm enjoying this little break. I don't mind being home, to be honest. But that's gonna do it for me, guys. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. And if you wanna keep up with what I'm doing, follow my social at Game Midnight. That's the one I'm probably most active on at the moment. Instagram, not so much, but yeah, that's the way you can keep up with me. And also don't forget to smash the thumbs up button on this video because it helps this video out. And if you made it this far in the video, you probably liked it anyways. So besides that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care, peace out.